chieftaincy title installation had the features of the rich cultural heritage of the Egba people, where the Alake and paramount ruler of Egbaland, Oba Adedotun Aremu Gbadebo, pronounced royal blessings on the new Ibuso Aje of Egbaland, Chief Mrs. Florence Mojisola Quadri. The unrivaled cultural traits of the Yorubas came to play at the chieftaincy installation when various traditional groups paid homage to the symbol of unity of Egba Nation, Oba Gbadebo. An exotic reception followed within the Ake Palace, where guests described Chief Oni Quadri as a worthy ambassador that the cap of Ibuso Aje of Egbaland fits.
He richly deserved the honor bestowed on her by Alake of Egbaland.
She has been doing wonderfully well, and her business will continue to prosper.
It's a woman we respect. It's a woman that does not discriminate.
Chief Quadri promised that the honor done on her will spur her determination to do more for the society. Management staff of NTA Abeokuta One Big Family, led by the acting general manager Kehinde Onoda, also graced the occasion. Earlier, the Yaloja of Shapon Market, who is also the Aje of Kenta, was endorsed by elders of her immediate community, Kenta Kobiti, as a deserving daughter of the land, worthy to receive the revered traditional chieftaincy title. In Abeokuta, Akim Jimo, NTA News.